everyone, this is Soumya. I am coming from Orthotics Engineering College, Perundurai, Department of Biomedical Engineering. Now I am presenting the topic is types of prosthetics and orthotic devices. So introduction. So prosthetics and orthotics are important in rehabilitation, helps restore movement and function, improve quality of life. And what is the prosthetic devices? It's a replacing a missing body parts used after amputations or congenital absence in mobility and daily activities. Example, if a person loses a leg, an artificial leg is used. So, and another one is what is an orthotic device? It's an external device used to support or correct body parts, used in injury or weak limbs. Improve alignment and function. For example, knee braces used after injury. And difference between the prosthetics and orthotics. Prosthetics is a replacement of missing part. Orthotics is a support for existing part. For example, artificial leg for prosthetics and knee braces it's a orthotics. Here the picture of difference between orthotics and prosthetics. And the classification of prosthetics and orthotic devices. Classification of prosthetics, it's a 4: upper limb and lower limb, cosmetic and functional. Orthotic, it's a 3 classification: upper limb orthosis, lower limb orthosis, spinal orthosis. And first one is upper limb prosthetics. It's used for arm or hand losses. It's a type passive, body powered, myoelectric. So passive is a cosmetic, only looks like a hand. So body powered, it's a controlled by cables. Myoelectric, it's a controlled by muscle signals. Here the picture of prosthetic arms. Passive arm prosthesis, it's a look like a cosmetics. Body powered arm prosthesis, it's a controlled by cables. Myoelectric arm prosthesis, it's controlled by muscle signals. And then lower limb prosthetics, it's used for leg or foot losses. It's a type below knee, above knee. So below knee vandute easy, below knee it's a easier movement, above knee it's a more complex. It's a help in walking. So here the picture, above the knee prosthesis, below the knee prosthesis, and then bionic prosthesis, mechanical prosthesis, and then cosmetic prosthesis. Third one. So designed for appearance, not much functional use. Example, artificial and for aesthetic look. And then functional prosthetics. It's a design for movement and function, allows grasping, walking. For example, mechanical or myoelectric limb. And then advanced prosthetics. Advanced prosthetics, it's a myoelectric prosthesis. It's controlled by muscle signals. Bionic limbs, it's a advanced movement. Brain control prosthesis, it's a signals from brain. Robotic prosthesis, prosthetic limb. Next one is upper limb orthosis. It's a supports hand, wrist, elbow. Example, wrist splint, used in fractures, nerve injury. And lower limb orthosis, supports leg and foot. It's a types of angle foot orthosis, knee angle foot orthosis. It's a short form of AFO, KAFO. It helps in walking. And then spinal orthosis, supports spine and posture. For example, back, drag, and used in scoliosis and injuries. And what are the materials are used in? Plastics, it's a lightweighted. Metals, it's a strong support. Carbon fiber, modern prosthetics. Silicone, cosmetic parts. And then advantages, it's a improve mobility, enhance independence, reduce the pain, improve quality of life. And then limitations, it's very expensive, require training, maintenance needed, not fully natural movement. And then future development is AI based prosthetics, smart orthotic devices, 3D printed limb, better comfort and control, And then conclusion is a prosthetics and orthotic devices are essential in rehabilitation. Technology is improving rapidly, helps patients live a better life. Thank you.